Hello and welcome. So from next video, let's just try to make a game that is a rock, paper, scissor. So I'll quickly show you how the game would look like. Okay, so this is a UI of a game. It's a rock, paper, scissor game. So it's a one player game because on the other side, the computer would play. So let's just try to make a choice. I would just say rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So we can say that it has shuffled the choices and right now we have won the game. So that is why our score is 1. So here you can see the score is 1 and here the message is written that you won. That means a user has won the game. And right now computer score is 0. So let's just try to make other choice. So right now I would choose let's say scissor.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So now computer has won, so his score is 1. So if you see here, whenever I make a choice, it would just shuffle the choice a couple of times, let's say 2 to 3 times, and then it would just say that this is your choice, and computer would again randomly make some move and will choose one choice. Okay, so let's just play this game one more time. So right now I would choose rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So again I have won the game, that is why my score is incremented to 1. So our score is 2 and the player 1 score, or I would just say computer score, is 1, and here we have a message. In fact, we can change this label to computer score or something. Now let me just try to play this game one more time. So I'll just show you what will happen when the game ties. That means no one won the game. So again I'll choose a rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So right now the game is tied. That's why none of the user has incremented his score, and currently we can see it's a tie. Okay, so this is the game that we are going to make from next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.